Hey there Discord users, welcome to Tech Basis, and today's video is all about kicking someone out of your server. If there is someone you want to kick out of your server for any kind of reasons, then this video is for you. Let's start. First of all, open your Discord app on your device. Now go to your server space and tap on the back button on the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll see your server's name with the right arrow beside it. Tap on it and tap on the settings icon. From here, scroll down a little bit and you will see a members tab. Tap on it and you can view all the members in your server. Now, tap on the member you want to kick from the server. You will see the option to kick. Just tap on it and put in the reason for kicking. And just tap on kick. And the members should get kicked from your server. And there you have it. You can now kick disruptive users from your Discord servers and maintain a peaceful online community. Remember, it's best to try resolving issue with warnings or temporary mutes first. Kicking is a last resort, so use it wisely. If you have any question or run into any trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.